I'm not sure because, you know, you think I'm not right.
Oh, that is actually falling off the bone even before you actually pick it up.
Yep,
Stunning. It's the first time we've done chicken,
it is.
and it looks amazing.
Are we ready?
Yep, I think that's going to fall off as you bring it over.
It has. Oh, gotcha.
I told you.
Look at that.
Actually, the legs fell off as we spoke.
Oh.
Oh, well, careful.
Yep,
And we're going to make gravy out of that, hopefully. Oh my God, look at that. It's just... Oh my God.
Oh, it's cooked all right.
Yep. What could you imagine ever having a chicken that just falls off the bone like that?
I know, you can't.
You just can't do that in a normal oven.
No.
You can never slow cook a chicken, can you, really?
This
Or can
chicken
you?
is just perfect.
Yeah. I know this is like terrible, but I might
Here you go.
I just might need to try it. Oh, it's so hot though. Oh my God, look. I've never had slow cooked chicken. Have you ever had slow cooked chicken?
No, I haven't. Oh,
my
the
God.
juices in this will be absolutely
I
fantastic.
cannot
honey.
actually tell you. Is that stock?
That is stock. Would you like to see the stock, honey? Are you filming? Look at the stock in
Look
that.
at the stock that will come out of that.
It hasn't dried up. It's just
That's going to
yum.
make our gravy, which will be amazing. I've got some OXO,
What I will do
traditional
is put that,
OXO, tomato paste and gravy to make. That is stunning, honey.
my.
You better hurry up because I'm hungry.
Sorry, I've lost my.
Mind?
Yes, I've lost my thingy.
What's your thing?
My thing that I get this everything out the oven with.
Like the thing.
Yeah, the thing.
Well, I'll leave you to find that while
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I do know what you mean.
My thingy. I've lost my thingy.
Well, while you find your thingy, I'm just going to cut this now, and then we'll have an update on the potatoes and everything else.